welcome back to my channel with me Yohanes Dwi Adi Kurniawan, or also known as Bung Jo. In this channel, we will discuss everything about English, and in this nice occasion, I would like to invite you all to discuss about self-introduction and getting to know others, relate to basic competence 3.2 and 4.2 part 2, because we have discussed part 1 in the previous video. Alright, in the previous video or part 1 of self-introduction and getting to know others, we have discussed about pronoun. Yes, started with subject pronoun, object pronoun. After that, we discussed about possessive adjective for showing ownership. And then the last talking about preposition of place. Now, in this part 2, we will discuss about some expression for introducing yourself. What are they? Okay. In the left side, introducing yourself or oneself, the way or the expression that can be used for introduce yourself or oneself. And then in the green table, it is the response to the expression of introduction. Okay, I would like to read it for you. For the first example, my name is Danny. What is your name? In bahasa, nama saya Denny. Siapa namamu? Okay, the response is I'm Jane. Pleased to meet you, Danny. Saya Jane. Senang bertemu denganmu, Denny. Atau senang berjumpa denganmu. Okay, the second. My name is Chakra. May I know your name? Nama saya Chakra. Bolehkah saya mengetahui namamu? And then the response, I'm Celine. I'm from class 70. Ya, saya Celine. Saya itu kelas atau peserta didik dari kelas 7D. Okay, the third. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Devin Alvino. You can call me Devin. And then the response, hello Devin, I'm Justin Fieri. Call me Fieri. Okay, in bahasa, izinkan saya untuk memperkenalkan diri saya. Nama saya adalah Devin Alvino. Kamu bisa memanggil saya Devin. How about the response? Ya, responnya di dalam bahasa Indonesia itu, halo Devin, saya Justin Fieri. Panggil saja saya Fieri. Okay, the last. Good morning class. I'm Raka Bumi, your new English teacher. And then the response, good morning Mr. Raka. In bahasa, selamat pagi semuanya di kelas ini. Saya Raka Bumi, ya guru bahasa Inggris. Ya, guru baru bahasa Inggris kalian. Selamat pagi Mr. Raka. Okay, those are example the way to introduce yourself, ya. Ungkapan-ungkapan yang bisa digunakan untuk memperkenalkan diri kalian, ya. Okay, next, the second. If the first expression to introduce yourself, now the second is expression for introducing other people. Kalau yang pertama tadi kan ungkapan-ungkapan yang digunakan untuk memperkenalkan diri kalian. Nah, kalau yang kedua ini ungkapan-ungkapan yang bisa digunakan untuk memperkenalkan orang lain. Okay. The first, Brian, please meet Richard. He is our new classmate. In bahasa Brian. Ini Richard. Dia itu teman baru kita satu kelas. Lalu the response, nice to meet you Richard, I'm Brian. Ya. Senang berjumpa denganmu Richard, saya Brian. Second, I would like to introduce my friend to you. This is Rengga. In bahasa, saya ingin memperkenalkan teman saya kepadamu. Ya, teman saya ini bernama Rengga. And then the response, please to meet you Rengga. Ya, in bahasa, senang berjumpa denganmu, senang bertemu denganmu Rengga. Okay, the third, let me introduce you to my new neighbor. This is Reza Azari. Ya, perkenankan saya memperkenalkanmu dengan tetangga baru saya. Ya, dia adalah si Reza Azari. Hello Reza, I'm Damian. Halo Reza, saya Damian. I present my Paul, Karina. Ya. Bolehkah saya memperkenalkan teman saya, sahabat saya, karib saya, si Karina? And then the response is, hi Karina. Okay, those are expressions that can be used for introducing other people. Now, when we talk about getting to know others or in bahasa dapat diartikan bagaimana kita bisa mengenal orang lain. So it means that we will deal with equations. Kita akan berbicara tentang pertanyaan, ya. Kalau kita bertanya-tanya, oh siapa ya dia? Nah, itu kan kita akan membentuk kalimat pertanyaan. There are two form of question that will be used. The first is yes no question, and then the second is WH question. Yes no question itu pertanyaan yang jawabannya itu ya atau tidak. Sedangkan WH question itu pertanyaan yang lebih mengarah kepada informasi. Nah, pertanyaan ini akan menggunakan kata tanya yang diawali huruf W atau H. Nanti kita akan bahas lebih dalam. Okay, the first we talk about yes no question, pertanyaan yang menuntut jawaban ya atau tidak. Bagaimana polanya atau patternnya? Ya, to be the first, ya. To be subject and complement. As example, are you a new student here? Pertanyaan ini berarti apakah kamu murid baru di sini? Nah, kita lihat to be are, ya, subject you. A new student here as complement atau pelengkap di dalam kalimat itu. Okay, the second, is she our new classmate? Apakah dia teman baru kita di kelas? Nah, is as a to be, she as a subject, and our new classmate as complement. Nah, that's the first. Yeah. Oh, sorry. The last example. Are you Edward's sister? Yes, still same. Are to be you subject, Edward's sister as complement. And you can make another example. Now the second auxiliary verb. Yeah, auxiliary verb followed by subject and complement. Auxiliary verb in here based on the tense use or the time use, ya. Waktunya lampau, sekarang atau yang akan datang. But getting to know others in general, secara umum kita akan menggunakan present, maka antara do or does. Okay, example, do you have any brother or sister? In bahasa, apakah kamu memiliki saudara laki-laki atau saudara perempuan? Ya, started with auxiliary verb do, and then subject you, and have any brother or sister as complement. Sorry, for have actually the verb. Yeah, the point of the pattern, it must be auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb plus complement. It must be verb after subject. Yeah. And then the second, do you live in Bandar Lampung? Yeah, do as auxiliary verb, you subject, live as verb. After that, in Bandar Lampung as complement. Does your father work in here? Yeah. Does your father work in here? Does as auxiliary verb, your father as subject, work as verb, in here as complement. And then you can make another example. That is about yes no question. Now we move to WH question. Yeah, questions that started with WH question words. It is asks information about thing, person, place, time, reason, manner, or the other. Ya, pertanyaan yang dimulai dengan kata tanya WH atau kata tanya WH kalau di bahasa Indonesia, biasanya yang ditanyakan itu ya tentang hal, benda, tentang orang, tempat, waktu, alasan, ya, cara, dan lain sebagainya. Okay, the pattern WH question plus to be plus subject plus complement plus question mark. After that, WH question plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb plus complement plus question word. Okay, the first what, ya, kata tanya yang pertama itu what. What itu kalau bahasa Indonesia apa? Nah, ini what is your name, ya, menanyakan tentang nama or about thing, ya. What is your name? Nah, ini yang what is your name? Ini pattern yang pertama, siapakah namamu? Yang kedua, what sport do you like? Ya, what sport do you like? WH question, what sport? Do auxiliary verb, you as a subject, and then like is verb. Oh, sorry. Yeah, do you like? Yeah, there is no complement, so complement is not must. Okay, the second is who, asking person, yang menanyakan orang. Example, who is your brother or sister? And then who accompanies you in Bandar Lampung? Siapa yang menemanimu di Bandar Lampung? Kalau diartikan secara tersirat, kamu tinggal di Bandar Lampung dengan siapa? Ya. Okay, the third is where, in bahasa is di mana, menanyakan tempat. Example, where is your house? Di mana rumahmu? Second, where do you study? Di mana kamu belajar atau bersekolah? Next, when. In bahasa kapan, asking about time. Example, when is your birthday? And then, when did you move here? Sir, kenapa gunakan did di sini? Nah, ini yang dikatakan tadi tergantung dari waktunya. Ada present, future, or past. Kalau kan, when did you move here? Kapan kamu pindah kemari? Berarti kan pindahnya itu sudah lewat. Pada saat dibicarakan itu sudah selesai. Dia sudah pindah. Seperti itu. Oke, next. Why? Ya, why itu kenapa? Menanyakan alasan. Why is she here? Kenapa dia ada di sini? Why do you join this school? Kenapa kamu mendaftar di sekolah ini sih? Kenapa kamu bersekolah di sini? Gitu ya. Oke. It is about how, bagaimana, ya, in bahasa bagaimana, asking about manner, ya, about manner. Okay. I think those are that can be discussed by us in this nice occasion. I do apologize if I made some mistake. Yeah. Thank you and